On the 2009 Nissan Rogue, the 2.5 liter, the mass airflow sensor is going to be located on the driver's side here on your air box. And then it has a clip here that you need to unclip, and then there's two screws that are holding it in. You can see you got your one screw. You can either use a Phillips, a short Phillips, or like a 8mm to get on there and remove those two bolts, and then pull it out. It'll be like that big, and then you just swap in the new one, and then you can remove your battery to clear the codes if you don't have a scanner, or use your scanner and clear the codes. But that's where it's located and how you change it on a 2009 Nissan Rogue.